Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
So, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes po, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Maricel Gancel, 40 years old from Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am married with three children. There are two boys and one girl, ages 19, 13, and 4.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
My birthday is April 29, 1984.
What
My
is your
height
height?
is 5'5", and my weight is 57.
Okay, what about your religion?
My religion, ma'am, is Roman Catholic.
Your educational background?
I am a college graduate, ma'am.
In what course?
Computer secretarial, ma'am.
Computer secretarial. Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your husband occupation and how old is he?
Construction worker, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Husband and my mother, ma'am.
Okay, what about your mother? How old is she and what is her occupation?
75 years old, ma'am, but still healthy and strong.
Okay, so you know that you have a 2 years contract, right? And you know what will be the consequences once you breach your contract. You need to pay your employer, and at the same time, your agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. If there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2013 to 2017 for 4 years here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Chinese family, Indian family, or Malay family?
Chinese family, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties or your responsibilities to your previous employment here in Malaysia?
Taking care of children's, ma'am.
How old?
Household.
Okay.
Wala. Cooking, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Laundry, earning. How old are those children that you take care?
Three, ma'am. They are 6, 4, and 2 years old.
6, 4, and 2 years old. So
I also
total children that you take care is 3.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines? Why you didn't continue working to this employer?
My husband asked me to go back home, ma'am,
Oh, your
because
husband asked you to go back home because of love. He missed you a lot, so you go back home in the Philippines. Okay. So way back 2018, how many months did you work in Singapore? Why you didn't finish your contract?
because overwork, ma'am, and my high employer verbally abused me.
What kind of verbal abused?
She shouted at me, ma'am, and she's also uh, hot
Cursing. Okay. How many months did you work there?
months only, ma'am.
2 months. So, can you share it with me? What are your duties there in Singapore?
All around also, ma'am.
Like what?
In the house, full
Okay.
story,
Sorry, what is it? Come again?
story house, ma'am.
Okay, two-story house. You do house chores, cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
And ironing, ma'am.
And then?
Car washing.
And then? Did you take your children?
Ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you said that you are working there in Singapore? What time you usually wake up and what time you usually finished working in your previous employer in Singapore?
Sometimes, ma'am, 5 o'clock or 5:30, and also my employer asked me to wake up at 12 midnight to give them a water.
Okay, so 5:30 to 12 midnight. Okay. Way back 2019 to 2023, you worked also in Philippines as a housemaid, correct?
Yes,
4 years. You worked for 4 years?
I'm full-time, ma'am.
Full-time mom. You are a full-time mom. Okay, sorry. So 2019 to 2023 or recently you work as a full-time mom, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you already got you already got experience being an OFW, right? So you must got some I mean you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking because you already experienced here in Malaysia, correct? So you need to get ready or you need to prepare yourself for any task that the employer will be given to you, okay? Okay, because there is no such a thing here also that you will just do house chores only. No such a thing. If there is any children, elderly, or there is any some pets, you need to take care also, okay? Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
No, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you take care or can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. Chinese
Can
food,
you
ma'am.
take care pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how can I ask how old are those children that you wanted to take care?
Yeah. 2, 4, and 6 about.
Okay. Okay, so usage of mobile handphone. Did I tell you that you have a 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, okay? You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, but rather than you can hold it during nighttime only 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. And on your rest day, you are not allowed to go out, but instead, you will going to stay inside the employer's house. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. So do you agree all these terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because we don't force people also to come here, okay? If you agree, it's okay, you can come. If you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people. As long as we are okay in our rules and regulations, in our initial interview, I already explained it to you, our terms and conditions, okay? We don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to complain us and you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness once it strikes you?
Sorry, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I will make myself busy, ma'am, and full attention to my duties and responsibilities.
Okay, so why do you still want to come here in Malaysia? You've been here. So why you didn't decided to go in Hong Kong or maybe in Middle East? Why did you still choose to come here in Malaysia?
Because of good employer, ma'am.
Because Malaysia got a good employer. How do you know that all employer here are also good?
We also have experience, ma'am.
You have experience. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Maricel, it was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents of Global Ace will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you and have a
Thank
good
you.
day. Bye.